Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone battery drain overnight. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, I have some simple solutions to fix this issue. So guys, the first solution is turn off Wi-Fi and mobile data on your iPhone. So for this, open control center and turn off this Wi-Fi and mobile data here. So after turning this on at the night, so guys, the next solution is turn Bluetooth off when you're not using it. So guys, if you are not using Bluetooth, so disconnect it. So disconnect your Bluetooth. Disconnect. So guys, after disconnecting Bluetooth on your iPhone, so guys, the next solution is adjust brightness on iPhone. So always use low brightness on your iPhone. So the next solution is use night shift mode. So guys, for the night shift mode, open lock screen to control center, tap on brightness and hold. So here tap on night shift here, and after turning this on, so guys, the next solution is enable low power mode on your iPhone. So for this, open settings, scroll down, tap on battery, tap on low power mode, so go back. So guys, the next solution is disable location services on your iPhone. So for this, tap on settings, scroll down, tap on privacy and security, tap on location services, tap to turn this off. So guys, after turning this off, go back. So the next solution is turn off background app refresh. For this, open settings, tap on general, tap on background app refresh, tap here and tap on off here. So after turning this off, go back. So guys, the next solution is update your iOS apps regularly. So for this, go to App Store, tap on the profile icon in the right corner. So here you can see guys, tap on update all apps. So after updating your apps, so the next solution is update your iOS software to the latest iOS version. So for this, tap on settings, scroll down, tap on general, tap on software update. So guys, check for update. So if you haven't updated your iPhone to the latest iOS version, so update your iPhone to the latest version. So after this, so guys, the last solution is remove unnecessary apps from your iPhone. So guys, if you have unnecessary apps you are not using, so delete them. So like I have Netflix, I'm not using it, so I'm going to delete this app. So guys, here are the simple solutions to fix your iPhone issue battery drain overnight. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.